Do you wish you could be the present mom you've always wanted to be, but still need to provide an income for your family? Are you tired of scouring the internet for legit jobs that will replace your income and that you can do from home in your PJs? Hey friend, welcome to the Virtual Assistant Mama podcast. I know you're over there Googling jobs for moms, legit work at home jobs, or start a side hustle, yet you can't figure out how to take that first step. So instead, you stay stuck, do nothing, or start random side hustles to try to make quick money. Becoming a virtual assistant is the answered prayer you've been waiting for. My name is Ariana, and I'm a former teacher turned work-at-home mom who replaced my teaching income as a virtual assistant in just 6 months. I did this by taking a step of faith and following the dream that God placed on my heart to be home with my babies. Mama, your dreams pale in comparison to God's dreams for you. Imagine offering services that light you up, working with clients who value you and pay you what you're worth, and having a job that works around your life and not the other way around. This is the podcast for you. It's time to take that first step. Are you ready? Here we go.
Hey y'all, welcome back to the Virtual Assistant Mama podcast. In this episode, I'm going to share with you 3 hacks to help you land more virtual assistant clients. So let's just go ahead and jump right in. Hack number 1 is to speak to your ideal clients specifically. If your language when you're looking for clients is really broad and could apply to really any business owner, I always think of that phrase, if you're speaking to everyone, you're speaking to no one. Because if you're just really broad and trying to appeal to everyone, then you're not making those deep connections that those potential clients are looking for. They want someone who understands them, who understands their business and why they've created it. They want someone who's going to treat their business like their baby. And so if you're just like really vague and trying to speak to everyone in your marketing, you're not making that connection with them, and they're probably going to go look elsewhere for that connection. So whether you want to work with, mom-owned businesses or businesses in the wedding industry, whatever it is, I want you to make sure that your branding, your social media posts, your portfolio, all of that is geared towards that specific person. Another hack to help you land more virtual assistant clients is to actually set aside dedicated time each week to apply to positions. I think a lot of times we think, I'm not getting new clients, but I want you to sit and actively ask yourself, okay, how many positions did I apply to this week? If you only applied to 1 or 2, that's not going to help you land new clients, okay? If you applied to 10, that's, getting closer. That's pretty good. If you applied to 20 positions this week, that's awesome. Okay. So you want to set aside dedicated time where you're applying to positions. And you guys know that is not just commenting on a position you see and saying, hey, I'm interested, message me. That is not applying. Okay. But if you take the time to whoever made the job post, go look at their profile, see if they have their website listed, learn about them, check out their Instagram page if they have one, just learn what you can about their business and then speak to that in your comment when you're applying for the position. That's actually applying. That's taking the time, getting engaged, again, showing that you actively care about that person's business even before you've had a face-to-face conversation that's going to set you apart. Another hack to help you land more virtual assistant clients is to offer referral incentives to your current clients. I've gotten a handful of website clients because previous website clients have referred other business owners to me. So I always give a small kickback to those clients that referred people my way. For me, with website design, my packages, range from anywhere from $2,000 to $4,000. Could even be higher than that depending on the complexity. So if my former client sends somebody to me, I just have a clause that, not even really a clause, I put it in my welcome email when we first start working together and the closing email when I send them all the information when I'm done designing. I let them know that if they send somebody my way and then that person ends up getting a package of $2,000 or more, I will send them a $200 referral fee. And so you can just do that via PayPal or Venmo or whatever. But it's great because I didn't have to spend the time going and looking for a new client. That client was sent to me because of my hard work with the client who sent them my way. And so I'd rather, pay somebody to send me people than me have to actively go look for them, if that makes sense. So offering referral incentives to former clients is a great way to get more people in the door with you. All right, real quick, let me recap those 3 hacks to help you land more virtual assistant clients. Number 1 is to speak to your ideal clients specifically. Number 2 is to set aside dedicated time to apply to positions. And number 3 is to offer referral incentives to your current clients. Now, if you need help on where to find clients, I go over that in my free workshop, The Number 1 Way to Start Working from Home, where I teach you the 5 Ps to become a successful virtual assistant, break it all down for you, and make it really easy for you to figure out what you need to do. So you can register for that at arianavernier.com/free-workshop. You can also find that link in the show notes, but I would absolutely love to see you there. All right, y'all. Thank you so much for listening to this episode, and we will see you next time.
Thanks so much for hanging out with me today. I would love to bless you with a free gift as a thank you. All you have to do is leave a review of the show on Apple Podcasts, take a screenshot, and send it to podcast@virtualassistantmama.com. I'll send you a code so you can snag my virtual assistant toolkit for free. And don't forget to come hang out with us in our free community, facebook.com/groups/virtual assistant mama. I'm so honored to support you in your journey to becoming a virtual assistant. Until next week, y'all, keep following the dreams that were placed on your heart so you can be the present mama you've always wanted to be.